Hello guys, Stefan here. So in tonight's video I'll present something nice that I received today. It's some packages from Bambu Lab. So I want to show you what I have here. This is my toolbox that I will use. This is the engine model components kit 005. This is the Melbourne one kit. And this is the wireless mouse component kit. So let's see what we will build tonight, and I hope you like the video. Maybe I will give you some hint about what we will do. Yeah, that's it. It's the wireless mouse kit. So here we have all the parts for the wireless mouse. This one it's printed in filamentum PLA, which is a very nice material. I want to show you the color. This one it's vertical jade from filamentum, very good filament. And the internal parts it's printed with ABS from extruder. So let's start it with the unboxing, because for tonight's video we will assemble the wireless mouse kit. These kits we will assemble in later videos. So let's start it with the unboxing of the kit. This is empty, very good packaged. Okay, so here we have the pads for this side of the mouse, here, and we have another one on this part. Okay, what we have here? Here we have the, let's say, the glass for the optical sensor. Nice. We put here another small package. I like how they included everything to build your own mouse made from your printer and your hand. Oh, this is the wheel. Let me drop this. Here we have some screws. They're all the same, I think, for assembly. Here we have the board, the main board. Oh, also the wireless dongle. And here we have the board and another small package. I think here is the connector with the wires for the battery. Yeah, that's one. Oh, also something else. Oh, the power switch. Yeah, I forgot about this one. So now that we have all the parts here, I will just look a little bit at the how to assemble the kit. Here we have all the parts. Let's starting with the board. Just a moment to find me something to remove the tape. I don't know where I put my. I will try it with something else. So that's removed. It's a small protecting film cover for the laser, the optical laser. We remove that one. Oh. So this is the first step. The second step is to install the wheel. I think like this one, yes, and press it here. Yeah, it's working. Next it's to install the main board here inside. Okay, that seems to fit very well. Just a moment to check. Yes, it's... Oh, I forget something. The cover for the laser. So it comes installed like this. Just to make sure. Yes, and also the toggle switch with these small pins right next to you. Okay, now let's install the main board. Let's check for the switch. It's in this direction, so we have to put the button here. Just a moment. Let's install it. Okay, everything seems fine. Let's test it. Yeah, it's working. Okay. Next, it's the connector for the battery. I think it's like this. Let's see. Yes. So the first one is this. Yeah, it snaps there very good. The second one is this with the spring for the battery. Yeah, very good snap. And now we have to plug the GST connector in the board. Make sure that everything is settled very well. Okay, now we have to route this cable in this small gap. Okay, now that we have all this put it here, let's go further. The next step is to put this cover. It's coming along very nice. And now we must prepare the screws. Let's say it. I think we have an extra screw, so I think I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will prepare 5 screws right here. Let's see what type of the screw, the size of the Allen key. This one. Okay, so next is to install these 2 screws. A very nice fit. And this one, the second one. And now the third one. I can put it right here. Oh, a really nice fit. Also with this material ABS. I didn't have any PLA on the hand, so I printed this with another color, and I have some ABS, a very good material, and I printed with this one. Now we must add the cover. Look at this color and this filament. Okay, and I think we must do like this. It's coming along very nice. And now I guess we have another 2 screws here. Yes. A very good fit, even if it's plastic. Okay, the last screw. Okay, very good. And yeah, we have 1 screw left for the spare part in case we need it. The next step is to put the mouse pads on their location. We have one here, one here, one here, and one here. So we take it one by one. Okay, and put it with careful. The first one is installed. Let's go with the second one. Just be sure that you put this in the market area on the printed part. After that, give a hard press just to be sure that it's sticking there, something like this, and 2 more to go. This one. Okay. And the last one. So that is the last one installed. Now we have all the mouse pads. Just give some pushes to be sure that it's sticking very well. Okay, now the next step is to install this wireless receiver. I will visit this side, take my old out, and install the new one. Now we have to take the battery from my main mouse, which is a Razer. I don't have any extra on hand now. Install the battery. Oh, let's switch it. And the final step is to install the cover for the battery. And that's it. We have our first 3D printed wireless mouse made with our printers from Bambu Lab. So let's test it. Let's turn it on. Oh, it's working, and let's see. Oh, and maybe you can see it's very silent. The clicks are very silent. Also the scroll. Maybe you can hear it. This one, Razer, and the Bambu Lab. Very silent. And the scroll also it's silent, and the overall look it's better. Which you prefer it? Your own 3D printed mouse or one off of the shelf? I think this one is better, also for the looking and also for the idea, and I will use it every day from now on. So this goes to trash, and this is a new one. Thanks for enjoying this video. I hope you like it. Please share and subscribe to my channel. More videos will come soon. I also have these two kits that I will print apart and make a video here on the channel. And also I will have to make some videos because I have some projects with some good material from Polymaker that I have now on drawing, and I will print it with my Bambu Lab P1S printer. So thank you so much for watching this video, and happy printing. Bye.